Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a cannot find a script file maintenance.vbs error in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all open a notepad. So open notepad. After opening the notepad, type wscript.quit. So type wscript.quit. After type it, click on a file, click on save as, and save at any location, and set a name is Maintenance.vbs. Now type maintenance maintenance.vbs. Click save to continue. Close it. Go to your save location. Copy it. Open a file explorer. Go to your C drive. And after doing this step, go to your Windows. Open System32. Now here is a System32. Open it, and after opening that, right click and paste it. After that, close it, and after that restart your computer, and I am sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.